At Less Energy Services, we understand that reliability is a crucial factor in supply, both of quality and timely services. In a global economy where budgets are carefully crafted and expenses closely monitored, our clients depend on us to provide total maintenance services projects of any scale that align with their business goals and our professional commitment to excellence and safety. Our maintenance services include plant site management, planning and scheduling, preventive and predictive maintenance, professional safety, and the provision of stores, spares, and integrated supply, as well as craft personnel and supervision. Less Energy Services has many years of experience providing integrated maintenance management systems. We promote the highest standards of customer care, and the client is at the center of our business operations. We specialize in the provision of operations and maintenance services, procurement, engineering, fabrication, emergency response services, valve maintenance and safety systems, civil works, marine and offshore services, training, and specialized recruitment services. Our mission is to be the recognized performance leader in our industry. Our corporate head office is located in Lagos and an operational base in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Welcome to Less Energy Services.